નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Students, now the continue our chapter is the chapter number 8 for the standard 6 and exercise 8.2. And exercise 8.2 is the question number 4 and the question number 5. So let's start our question number 4. In question number 4, between which two number in 10th place on number line does each of the given number line? Each of the given number line. So first of all, dear students, here is given some decimal number. In this decimal numbers, we have to find the first of all is the given number is between which two lines. Given number is between which two number. So 0.06, 0.45, 0.19, 0.66, 0.92. It means, dear students, here all the decimal number, ones place is 0, 0, 0, 0. Ones place is means 0.2 left hand side first place. So 0.2 left hand side plus place is 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0. This means all the decimal number ones place is 0. It means all decimal number between 0 and after 0 to which number 1. It means ये सारे डेसिमल नंबर है वो 0 और 1 के बीच में आएंगे. Okay, now I have to draw one number line. See here. So in here is 0 and here is 1. Okay, in 0 to 1. So first of all start is means 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9 and last one is 1. So इस तरह से हमारी नंबर लाइन होती है. Okay, now we have to find the first of all 0.06. 0.06. So first of all, dear students, 0.06 is between which two number? How to find 0.06? So 0. Now check in the 10th place. Now we have to check the 10th place. तो 10th place is 0. After 0 to 10th place is 1 आएगा कि नहीं आएगा? Say dear students, 0 and 0.1 here also for the 10th place. 0 and after 0.01, 0.02, 0.0 इस तरह से हो गया. देखो यहाँ पे 0 और यहाँ पे 0.1 है तो इसके भी 10 पार्ट हो गए. तो फर्स्ट पार्ट is started 0.01, 0.02, 0.03, then after 0.04, 0.05, 0.06, 0.07, 0.08, 0.09 and लास्ट में आपको मिलेंगे 0.1. इस तरह से हमारी नंबर्स लाइन होती है. So first of all understand the number line. You have to not understand. So first of all this one is 0 to 1. So this one is our original number line and 0 and 1 prior to 0 and 0 is 0.1. 0 and 0.1 so this one is our numbers 0.01, 0.02, 0.03 and go on. So first of all understand. So now the 0.06 is between 0 and 0.1. Yes or no? Okay. 0.06 is between. So first of all start. 0.06 is between 0 and 0.1. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम लोग किन दोनों के बीच में आएंगे वो लिखेंगे. ओके, देन आफ्टर सेकंड वन 0.45. सो डियर स्टूडेंट 0.45 इज बिटवीन विच टू नंबर? 0.45. So first of all in the 10th place is 4. This means 0.4. So here is 0.4 and the 0.4 next number is 0.5. This means 0.05 is between these two numbers. Write down 0.4 and 0.5. Now understand? समझ में आ रहा है अब? Okay. Third one 0.19. 0.19 is between. So first of all check in the 10th place. So this one is the 10th place. 10th place is 1. So 0.1. After 0.1, 0.2. It means 0.1 and 0.2. Right? Fourth one 0.66 is between, see after tens place 6 it means 0.6, तो see here 0.6, 0.6 के बाद 0.7 it means 0.6 and 0.7, 0.66 is between 0.6 and 0.7. Okay, and the last one, the fifth one, 0.92 is between 0.92, it means after tens place 9, so 0.9 and the next one is 1, तो 0.9 and 1. तो ये सारे जो नंबर है वो इन दो नंबरों के बीच में आएगा. इसमें 0.06 is between 0 and 0.1, 0.45 is between 0.4 and 0.5, 0.19 is between 0.1 and 0.2, 0.66 is between 0.6 and 0.7, 0.92 is between 0.9 and 1. Understands? Now we have to find the nearer number. इसमें 0.06 is nearer which two number, 0 और 0.1. 0.06 है वो किन दो नंबरों के नियरर यानी कि नजदीक आएगा, 0 के नजदीक आएगा या फिर 0.1 के नजदीक आएगा. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डियर स्टूडेंट 0.06, तो 0.06 तो 0 से स्टार्ट करोगे, 0.01, 0.02, 0.03, 0.04, 0.05, 0.06, तो जो है वो किसके नजदीक आएगा, 1 के नजदीक. इट मींस 0.06 इज नियरर टू 0.1. ओके, देन आफ्टर 0.45, so dear students 0.45 is nearer. इस मीन्स आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, आपको नियरर नंबर फाइंड करना है. जिस तरह से आप नियरर नंबर फाइंड करते हो, हाउ टू फाइंड द नियरेस्ट नंबर, द लास्ट डिजिट यू हैव टू चेक. इफ यू आर द लास्ट डिजिट इज 5 टू बिग और 5 टू स्मॉल, देन +1 ऐड. इस तरह से हम लोग लास्ट नियरर नंबर फाइंड करते हैं कि नहीं. ओके, तो सेम दिस वन इज द 5, इस मीन्स 1 इज ऐड, तो 4 and 5 मीन्स 0.5 होगा. इस मीन्स दिस नंबर इज नियरर टू विच नंबर, 0.5. ओके, so write down 0.45 is nearer to 0.5, nearer to 0.5. Same for here 0.19, check your last digit 9, तो 5 to big number हुआ, 5 से बड़ा हो गया तो यहाँ पे +1 ऐड होगा, तो 1 + 1 करो तो कितना होगा, 2. It means this number is nearer which number, 0.2. write down 0.19 is nearer to 0.2. Okay, same for the here 6, 5 से बड़ा हुआ, +1 ऐड होगा तो यहाँ पे +1 ऐड करो, तो 6 and 1 is means 7, तो this number is nearer 0.7. write down 0.66 is nearer to 0.7. लास्ट वन here is 2, 5 से स्मॉल है यानी कि छोटा है, तो +1 ऐड नहीं होगा, तो +1 ऐड न करो तो क्या होगा, 9 as it is होगा, तो 9 as it is means 0.9. ओके, तो इसमें 0.92 is nearer 0.9. write down 0.92 is nearer to 0.9. So understand dear students our first questions. So first of all we have to find the between number and then after we have to find the nearer number. Okay, understand, clear how to solve. Now our next questions is the question number 5. Question number 5 is write as a fraction in the lowest term. So first of all dear students, here given us some decimal number. The decimal number we have to convert to fraction and then after fraction we have to convert the lowest term. Okay, so let's start. So first of all we have to decimal to convert into fraction. So 0.60 is after point 2 digit. After point 2 digit, it means 60/100. After point 2 digit is divided by 100. After point 3 digit is divided by 1000. After point 1 digit is divided by 10. So decimal number to convert into fraction. Now 0 cut. It means 6/10. 6/10. 3 2 ja. 5 2 ja. 2 2 cut. It This means 3 by 5. So this one is the our lowest term. Okay. Next one. 0.05. Again after point 2 digit. It means 5 by 100. It means 5 by 100. Okay. Now the 5 by 100 this means 520 ja. So here nothing, it means 1 by 20. So this one is the our lowest term. Right. Then after 0.75, it means 75 by 100 by 100. Why? Because after point 2 digit. 75 by 100 convert into the lowest one. So 25 3 za, 25 4 za, 25 cut, 3 by 4. This one is our lowest term. Right. Then after the 0.18, so 18 by 100. 0.18 it means 18 by 100. After point 2 digit it means 18 by 100. So 18 by 100 is cut it. Let's check. So if you are cut 18, so 9 multiplied by 2. If you are cut 100, it means 50 multiplied by 2. So 2 cut. So 9 by 50. This one is our lowest term. Right. 0.25. It means 25 by 100. Why? Because after point 2 digit, 25 by 100. 25 4 is 100. It means 1 by 4. This one is the our lowest term. Right? Now the last two, 0.125. So see dear students, here all the after point 2 digit, after point 2 digit, after point 2 digit, after point 2 digit, after point 2 digit. But in this question, after point 3 digit, after point 3 digit is divided by thousands. Right? So 125 by 1000. 125 by 1000. Why? Because here given after point 3 digits. So decimal number convert into fraction, it means 125 divided by 1000. Now in the convert into the lowest term, so dear students, 125 8s are directly 100. 125 8s are 100. So you have to write, this means 1 by 8. So this one is our lowest term. And the last one is 0.066. So 0 is neglected, so 66 by 1000. Why? Because here also after point 3 digit. So decimal number convert into fraction. Now in this fraction convert into the lowest term. So cut it. 66 is means 33 multiplied by 2, and 1000 is cut, it means 500 multiplied by 2. 2 cut, it means 33 by 500. So this one is our lowest term. So understand students the question number 5. The question number 5 is the given decimal number convert into first of all fraction, and this fraction is the convert into the lowest term. Okay? And then this question is the between number. So understand the exercise 8.2 is the question number 4 and question number 5. Okay?
Thank you for joining us.